Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngothando nesithembu. Guys, Mina, I don't care how you present Isthembu to me. I will never be in a position where I believe that two women sharing a man can be in harmony and live happily ever after. No. And why I'm saying this is because there's underlined jealousy that is unnecessary. Ne? So Umusamseleku decided to uzo introduce umntana kaMangwabi, right? The son uMangwabi azena emshadweni, right? Usimpiwe lo osambona sekamdala ukuthi awukanti uMangwabi unomntwana, ngisho. All right, chap. Upon him doing that introduction and stuff, niyena muzo utheni uMacena? Nimzwile na uNdlunkulu wenu ukuthi utheni? Uthe lo uintroduce lo mntwana ngoba uyazincengela. Guys, indoda izoncenga bonke abafazi bakhe. Wena yini ekulumayo? Yini ekulumayo ngisho wena uNdlunkulu. So it goes to show ukuthi even if Umusa appreciates her and is grateful and believes ukuthi all is going well and uMacele is this and that, Macele is still threatened by the other wives low key. Because if the other wives are, the marriages are taking, then hers is strengthened. Because tell me why? Why is Ugirl saying such things? Uzincengela ini? Vele bemela introduce umntwana akhe. Angishashade nomamakhe. Or am I wrong, guys? Or ukugela uphethe amagama kamsele kumakathi umntana oze ngaphandle he njani. But I know, I felt that was low-key jealousy. That was low-key an unnecessary statement. Uzincengelani. Vele mina mncenge unkosikazi wakhe. Like, Magwabe is the wife to Umusamseleku. And if push comes to shove and a person must be ncenged, then it's still okay. What was her problem? So, like, you can never convince me ukuthi umuntu uyajabula ukuthi indoda yakhe ithatha abantu abayi-77. Awungeke. Hayi angeke. Yabona uthando nesithembu is proving exactly ukuthi it might look good in the beginning, but it's not good.